At the moment. Now, in Canning Town, police have closed off Freemasons Road. They are investigating a fatal stabbing there yesterday afternoon. And there's a lot of fog around this morning, and that means no Woolwich Ferry, the south terminal here, looking rather quiet at the moment, and Trafalgar Square, that's closed southbound from St Martin's Place to the Strand for gasworks. Time for the weather now. Here's Georgina, Burnett.
Good morning. Well, it's a foggy start to the day and to the week, but a lot of dry weather around and also some fairly decent temperatures. Today, though, we start off with some rather dense fog in places. That should be clearing fairly early on, leaving us with some rather long sunny spells through much of today and a largely dry day as well. Bad news for hay fever sufferers, though. I'm afraid it's a high pollen count, a bit of a southerly breeze. Temperatures reaching about 18 degrees Celsius, so very warm for the beginning of April. Now, as we head through this evening, we'll see cloud building and there's some rain on the way from the west. It's fairly light, drizzly rain for the most part. Temperatures getting down to about 8 or 9 degrees Celsius. That does make for a rather damp start to tomorrow as that rain works its way off to east through the morning, leaving some outbreaks behind through the afternoon, but quite a lot of clouds still. Temperatures up to about 15 degrees Celsius. And there will be some cloudy days around this week, but a good deal of dry weather altogether. Temperatures just slightly above where we'd expect them to be for the time of year, getting up to about 14 or 15 degrees Celsius. So not quite the warm weather that we're going to have today, but still fairly decent. And as I said, a lot of dry weather around and even some sunny spells to look forward to.
And I'm back with the latest from the BBC London newsroom in half an hour. There's plenty more on our website. Now, though, it's back to Dan and Louise. Bye for now.